Hi guys! Andito po ako sa bike count dito sa parking area ng airport. And guys, ang ganda ng langit guys. So, it's 4:30 in the evening, but still the sky is so nice. Ang English. Yeah guys. Ganda. Dami sasakyan kasi parking nga. Pero mas marami pa sa loob. Okay guys, have a good night. Bye. Have a good evening pala. Bye.